HSBC has put $10 billion of paper-based private placement records on R3’s Corda blockchain and plans to ramp up the project through this year and next. We're confident that we'll be able to put significant additional volume and value of private placements from new and existing clients on the platform over the next 12 to 18 months, said Kiran Reddy, head of Custody Innovation and Strategy Initiatives at HSBC. The company had previously announced it would have $20 billion on the platform by this month. HSBC told CoinDesk that efforts to increase the functionality of the platform due to client interest are what has slowed its onboarding push. With no immediate plans to move into the crypto space, HSBC is focused on assets that have yet to be digitized as well as exchange-based security tokens and traditional assets that could be fractionalized. The bank is also seeing demand from clients to use tokens for a whole fund lifecycle, Reddy said, as well as tokens that are a basket of assets wrapped into one. See also, this unstable moment as a chance for crypto to go mainstream. The bank is using blockchain as opposed to a traditional database because it plans to tokenize the private placements after it digitizes them. Private placements are sales of stock shares or bonds that don't occur on the open market. Unlike other enterprise efforts, HSBC did not put a cost savings estimate on the digitization project, claiming incremental internal efficiency instead. However, Reddy said the bank's main aim with Corda is to get real-time information access. It's more of a case of us trying to future-proof ourselves as blockchain becomes more mainstream and then also being in a position to add value to clients by providing them with self-service tools instead of them having to come to us to source the information, he said. The queries are usually simple, but while records are on paper, clients have to call bankers who then look up the answers to those queries. While tokenization would allow for the bank to implement tools like smart contracts, the bank first has to get issuers on board with the idea and ensure that regulators are comfortable with recognizing tokens as legal, enforceable and transferable assets. Easy access. Clients can access the Corda platform, which the bank has dubbed Digital Vault, through their HSBC online accounts. They click on Holdings and it brings up a list of all of the documents that we have stored against that particular transaction, Reddy said. See also, we won't ever think about the financial system the same way. Clients can also grant system access to third parties like regulators and auditors. Some clients have already granted system access to their asset managers. The bank is trying to anticipate a world in which financial entities turn to tokens as a better way of issuing assets, Reddy said. We're seeing a number of traditional exchanges use DLT, he said. HSBC being a clearing member and a local depository, we want to be able to support our clients who want to transact in these token markets.